Let's get right to it. I've said this quite a few times. Machine learning engineers do not author their own models. They don't author their own metrics. They don't author their own libraries. I've worked at several top tech companies. There are no machine learning engineers sitting around all day slinging Python code. You aren't getting paid to recreate the wheel. Libraries exist for almost every facet of machine learning. In the real world, you'll be expected to know them, and more importantly, you'll be expected to know how to use them. Yesterday, I used the phrase mean value imputation. Now, I'm probably butchering imputation, but the phrase should give it away. If you want to work in the applied space, you're going to need to know how to speak the language. Imputation is the word we use in machine learning and data science for replacing missing values. In order to replace missing values, we use libraries. Additionally, you'll need to know the different approaches for imputing your data. Mean value imputation is only one of them. Let's look at a few roles. How about this one at Apple? Pandas is a library for data manipulation, and TensorFlow and PyTorch are deep learning frameworks. Yep, you'll be using libraries at Apple. Here's a faker scientist role. Check out that third bullet point. Yep, libraries and frameworks. Here's another role for a machine learning engineer. Yep, Pandas and NumPy. Here's one last faker science role. Notice the NumPy, scikit-learn, and Pandas? It's strange that my platform LogicBot has classes for scikit-learn, Pandas, and Matplotlib, Keras, XGBoost, etc. Contrary to popular belief, I didn't throw a bunch of courses together and put a machine learning website together like all the other detritus out there. I work in the real world. LogicBot is based on real-world skills for real-world jobs. I know many of you in academic think that you know better, and that's why there are 300,000 open jobs right now for machine learning engineers that aren't being filled and aren't going to be filled anytime soon. Now, I am being a little harsh here, but it's better to hear it from me than on your first job interview when you're asked about the two core Pandas objects, and you just sit there looking confused and realize you studied the wrong shit. Machine learning engineers in the real world work the end-to-end machine learning pipeline. That's what we do. If you don't know what's involved in that pipeline, you have no real chance of working in this space. In that pipeline, there are lots of SQL and lots of libraries. As a matter of fact, it's almost all SQL, Python, and Python libraries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if I were you, I might start learning the skills you're going to be using in the real world. Have a great day.